Hi guys, it's Jennifer Nickel again here with Prairie View A&M University Cooperative Extension Program. I'm here in my crisis kitchen. I wanted to bring to you guys another healthy recipe. This is a healthy snack that you can prepare. It's very simple, few ingredients, doesn't take it long to prepare at all. So it's kale chips. So the first thing that you want to do is grab your kale. So I bought a bunch at Walmart for 98 cents. It's very, very inexpensive. So what I do is I cut the stems off of the kale. I use scissors, you can use a knife. Scissors to me seem easier. Some kitchen shears. So just cut off the stem of the kale and you'll have the stem left. And then I know these are curly, but you can just cut off little pieces of the curly, just like this. Alright, once this is all cut out, you need a sandwich baggie, or I use a gallon baggie if I'm making more kale chips. Stick them in here. The recipe calls for a bunch of kale, so if you're cooking a lot, then you'll need 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of salt. So any kind of olive oil will work, that's fine. Since we're not making a whole lot, I'm not going to put a whole lot of olive oil in there, just enough to cover the leaves. And then salt. You can use, this is pink Himalayan salt, but you can also be very, very creative. I've used cayenne pepper, I've used garlic. You can just play around and use whatever you want. All kinds of spices that you can use. So put some salt in there. I close it, and then I get all the olive oil and all the leaves. Move this around so that the olive oil is spread evenly throughout all the leaves. Once you're done here, I use gloves because I don't like the oil getting everywhere on my fingers. You don't necessarily have to. Alright. So I've already prepared some in advance, but I just want to show you guys how you can put this on the pan. So they are kind of curly. Sometimes if the oil isn't all the way on, or isn't on the leaf a lot, then you just spread it around and lay those flat. They can be kind of stubborn because they are curly, but just lay them flat. Alright. You set your oven to 350 and you cook these for 10 to 15 minutes. Some ovens may take longer, some may take a shorter amount of time. So you need to keep an eye on them. So once you're finished, you just stick this into the oven, and then once you've done 10 to 15 minutes, they look like this. These are healthy snacks for your family. You can put this, I like to put it on salad, kind of crumble it on salad. You guys can find creative ways to eat these kale chips. I promise your kids will like them. They're really good. So here I am again in the crisis kitchen, just bringing you guys a recipe. I miss seeing your faces, and we'll be together soon. Bye.